Every morning, the heart of this industrial giant beats to life. This is where the legendary Massey Ferguson only premium high-strength steel is selected to build the MF385 tractor. This precision cutting ensures perfect dimensions for every critical MF385 tractor component. Robotic welding provides exceptional strength and durability for the tractor frame. The casting process for the powerful Massey Ferguson MF385 engine block begins here. Pouring the MF385. Built for precision, advanced CNC machining ensures exact tolerances. Here in the heart of the workshop, the MF385 engine begins to take shape. Experienced engineers the precision of the automated line ensures that every transmission efficiently transfers the engine's power directly to the tractor wheels. The rear axle is the backbone of the MF385's durability. It must withstand immense torque and grueling. This is the moment when the tractor truly begins to take shape. The powerful MF385 diesel engine is carefully. The front axle provides stability and precise steering control for every MF385 tractor. Precision is key. These hydraulic pumps and control valves deliver the reliable lifting power that the Massey Ferguson 385 needs to the MF385. Precision engineering for ultimate control. The steering gearbox is carefully installed, ensuring flawless enters. An efficient fuel delivery system is critical for the MF385. Our technicians meticulously secure every connection. This complex wiring harness is key to the tractor's dependable operation, ensuring every sensor and switch functions flawlessly for maximum safety. Every control is designed for comfort, simplicity, and reliability. The MF385's ergonomic design ensures maximum operator comfort during long working hours. As the precision robotics finalize the assembly, the famous MF385 design takes its final shape, showcasing the pinnacle of multiple protective coatings are applied, ensuring long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. The final wheel installation prepares the tractor for testing and real farming operations. Every MF385 undergoes a strict, meticulous quality inspection right here on the final assembly line before it leaves the factory. Every essential fluid is carefully measured to guarantee maximum performance and reliability. The powerful diesel engine has successfully come to life after precision assembly. Every tractor undergoes rigorous testing under controlled conditions before it is approved for production. Every driving system is tested to ensure dependable performance in the field. The Massey Ferguson MF385 delivers reliable power for demanding agricultural work every day. The MF385, exceptional pulling power. Built for heavy-duty farming operations across. Here at the factory, every MF385 undergoes a rigorous final finishing process, ensuring each surface shines brilliantly before delivery. And so, every completed Massey Ferguson tractor begins its journey to farmers around the world. The Massey Ferguson MF385 is the result of precision engineering, advanced manufacturing, and decades of trust.